Students, in the previous class you are learned exercise 1.7 first problem to fourth problem. Now the fifth problem. There is a large square portrait of a leader that covers an area of 4489 centimeters square. If each side has a 2 centimeter linear, what would be its area? So that is that photo, leader photo, that covers an area that 4489. The linear side, it's like a frame, it is a 2 centimeter linear. What would be its area? So we want to find that portrait of leader area we want to find. See this picture, for it is a portrait of leader. Their area is given 4489. It is given, for this is the area, for this is 4489. We want to find the side of this portrait. So that is how you got to find. That is area is given. So area formula, area of a square formula, that is a square units. So the given area is 4489. So a square equal to 4489. So a is equal to, how you find the side a value? Square root. So we want to find, here given a square, we want to find a, so we have to take a square root. So that 4489 square root, already you are learned in the previous exercises, that is square root how to find. So that is 4489 square root is 67. So side equal to 67 centimeter. The length of the side, the portrait side is a 67 centimeter. For also given the linear side is a 2 centimeter. So that means for here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, for here 2 centimeter. So we get one inside square and outside square. For inside square area we found. So that is so not we found, that is given 4489 already given. Using that we find their side. So their linear is a 2 centimeter, for here to here, here to here 2 centimeter. So we want to find the length of the side with linear. With linear means that extended area for here, extended length. So that is 67 plus 2 plus 2. So that is equal to 71 centimeter. So already given in the smaller area, small square area. Now we want to find the largest square area. So that is their side is the largest square. It is a 71. For here to here it is 71 centimeter. So it is a side. So 71 square, since the formula a square units. So 71 into 71, you have to make multiple 5041. We want to find area of the linear. So area of the linear, how we have to calculate? That is linear mean for this area we want to find area of the linear. For this side we want to find. So that means the largest square, area of a largest square minus area of that small square. So that is area of a big square minus area of a small square. So that is big square is 5041 minus small square already given, that is 4418. Subtract these two, you get 552 centimeters square. Sixth problem. A greeting card has an area 90 centimeters square. Between what two whole number is the length of its side? What two whole number? Between two whole numbers is the length of its side. Okay, for we want to find side of this greeting card, then that lies between which two whole number. Easily you have to identify it is a which shape greeting card. For side is mentioned, so it is a square. So area of the greeting card given 90 centimeters square. We know the formula area of a square equal to side square or a square. Normally we used a square. A means it is a side. So a square equal to 90, a equal to root 90. Root 90 easily you have to find a square root. Square root you know well, so we will use that. For 9 9s are 81, balance 9. For after that no digit is there. What is that meaning? After the decimal you have to take a pair of zeros. You have to bring down. That is 900. Now you get 900. Then this 9 multiple by 2, that is 18. For which is possible we got to find. So that is for now it is 118 along with that 4 4s are 16, balance 1, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1 33, balance 3, 736. So suppose you have to check it as 5 multiple with 5, 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 8 5s are 40, 42, balance 4, by 925. So which is suitable? 4. So here you write 4 and here also you make a decimal here, because the dividend is over, we make that decimal places. So 0.4. You have to find only one decimal place. So that is equal to 9.4. So side equal to 9.4 centimeter. So this 9.4 lies between which two numbers? 9.4. Now you have to check this. For it is 9, it is 10. For it is 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5. So like this it is going on. For 9.4 is this. So it is lies between 9 and 10. So the side lies between the whole number 9 and 10. Seventh question, 225 square shaped mosaic tiles, each area 1 square decimeter, exactly covers a square shaped veranda. How long is each side of square shaped veranda? So that means for here given for the 225 square shaped mosaic tile is used for that veranda, square shaped veranda. The one square tiles area is 1 square decimeter. So we are going to use 225 square shaped. So their area, the tiles area you have to find, then veranda area you have to find. For using that we have to find the side of the veranda we have to find. For area of one tile 1 square decimeter. So we used 225 tiles. So area of 225 tiles is 225 square decimeter, because one tile 1 square decimeter. So 225 tiles, 225 into 1. So that is equal to 225 square decimeter. So given 225 square tiles exactly covers to the square shaped veranda. That is 225 square side exactly used for that square shaped veranda. So think about the given condition. This implies area of 225 tiles is equal to area of veranda. For area of 225 tiles is equal to area of veranda, that means area of veranda is 225 square centimeter. These two are same. For this is 225, so their area is 225. So it is a square shape. Veranda is in a square shape. So area of a square is a square equal to 225. So a equal to square root of 225. 225 is a square number. So square root of 225 is equal to 15. Therefore the side of veranda equal to 15 decimeter. What unit is used? You have to use that unit, 15 decimeter. Eighth question, if cube root of, it is the say this number name ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 19 lakhs 6,625 into 24 into root x is equal to 3,100. Using this we have to find x. First we have to find factorization. For find factors for this 19 lakhs 6,624. So prime factorization you have to follow. That is That is for first 2 for it is you have to proceed like this. After this it is suitable for 31th table. 31th table you have to make a normal division, then usually you get this. It is 31 into 31, then 31. So like this you have to find the prime factorization method. Then the cube root of 19,06,624 equal to cube root of, it is written as 2 cube into 2 cube into 31 cube. So cube and cube root cancel. So 2 into 2 into 31. So that is equal to, you no need to simplify this, just take and write 2 into 2 into 31. Now the given concept is, for a given what is given, for it is cube root of 19,06,624 is equal to, into root x is equal to 3,100. So that means for instead of this what we found, 2 into 2 into 31, 2 into 2 into 31. Instead of this you write this into root x equal to 3,100. Root x, the remaining you have to transpose to here. It's become a multiplication, 3,100 by 2 into 2 into 31. Now you have to make cancel. First I am used a 31th table one time, for it is 100. Next to 2 table it is 50. Again 2 table 25. So root x is equal to 25. We want to remove the root. So how to remove the root? Squaring on both sides. So you have to take a square on both sides. That means square and square root cancel. Square and square root cancel. The 25 square value is 625. So x is equal to 625. Ninth question. If 2 power m minus 1 plus 2 power m plus 1 is equal to 640. Using that, we want to find the value of m. First you write the given 2 power m minus 1 plus 2 power m plus 1 equal to 640. It is a power m plus n format. So you have to separate this 2 power m into 2 power minus 1 plus 2 power m into 2 power 1. So equal to 640. So it is in the form a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. You separate the powers. Then now you have to consider 2 power m commonly is the take outside. We have to take outside, that is 2 power minus 1 is remaining in the first term. In the second term 2 power 1 is remaining equal to 640. 2 power minus 1 is written as 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 640. Now for it is 2 power m into 5 by 2. So you have to take a LCM for that. So that is for listen, for here 2 power m into LCM, how you get 5 by 2? 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 5 by 2. So that is equal to here 2 power m into 5 by 2 equal to 640. So 2 power m equal to this 5 by 2 transpose to this side, that is 5 by 2 become 2 by 5. 5 table 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, balance 1 14, 2 5s are 10, balance 4, 8 5s are 40. So 128 into 2, 256. For 200, for one left hand side we have a power number, exponent number. For this one you make it as a like this number 2 power something. So that is you have to use the prime factorization for this 256. So this 256 is written as 2 power 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 power 8. Now the base are equal, so we have to equate the powers. When the base are equal, we have to equate the powers. So m equal to 8. So therefore m value is 8. 10th question. Give the answer in scientific notation. A human heart beats at an average of 80 beats per minute. How many times does it beat in or 1 hour, 1 day, a year, 100 years? These 4 questions we have to answer. For 1 minute 80 beats. For given heartbeat per minute equal to 80 beats. What is given? Heartbeat per minute equal to 80 beats. First question we want to find for 1 hour. 1 hour equal to, first this 1 hour convert it as a minute. So therefore heartbeat in an hour. 60 into 8. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute how many times it is? Heartbeat it is 80. So that is 860 into 80, 480. Sorry, 4800. So 4800. How you change it as a scientific notation? For here decimal is at the end, so it moves here 1 2 3. So 4.800 into 10 power 3. For this the end of the zeros has no value, so it is written as 4.8 into 10 power 3. Second question, we want to find the heartbeat per day. So 1 day equal to 24 hours. This 24 hours you convert it as a minute, because given one is a heartbeat per minute is given, so this hours convert it as a minute. So that is 24 into 60 minutes, so 1440 minute. So therefore heartbeat in a day equal to, for a minute how much is minute in a 1 day? 4440. The heartbeat per minute is 80, so you have to make multiple. So that is equal to, you have to make multiple, that is 1000. So directly I made multiple, for it is multiple by 8. 0, 4 8s are 32, balance 3, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 3 35, balance 3, 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 3 11, 2 zeros are there right at the end. Now 1 2 3 4 5, the decimal moves 5 places to the left side, so 1.15200 into 10 power 5. So this is written as 1.152 into 10 power 5. Now we have to find heartbeat per year. 1 year. 1 year equal to 365 days. This 365 days you got to convert it as a minute. So 365 one day equal to 1440 minutes. So 365 into 1440. So you have to make multiple, you get that is 5,25,600. Then so you have to make a heartbeat in a year. Heartbeat in a year, that is 365 into 1440. You make multiple these two, then into 80. So that is we get 5,25,600 into 80. That you have to make multiple, that is 4 crore 20 lakhs 48,000. 4 crore 20,000 4 crore 20 lakhs 48,000. So this one you make it as a scientific notation, that is how many decimal letters move? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4.2048000 into 10 power 7. This last 3 digit zeros have no value, so it is written as 4.2048 into 10 power 7. Next we want to find for heartbeat for in 100 years. 1 year in the previous problem we found 1 year the heartbeat is 4.2048 into 10 power 7. So 100 years how you have to calculate? 100 into 1 year heartbeat. 1 year heartbeat 4.2048 into 10 power 7. Now this 100 is written as a power value 10 square into 4.2048 into 10 power 7. Now it is same base a power m into a power n. So that is 4.2048 into 10 power 7 plus 2, we have to add the power, that is 4.2048 into 10 power 9.